guys, this is your instructional video for October 27th. We're going to talk about the War of 1812 project. So for this assignment, you will decide to take either the perspective of the Americans or the British as far as winning the war. And you will use your book and one internet source to prove your point. So really all I'm looking for is you just have to say, I am for the Americans having won the war, and these are my 6 points, and you can do 6 bullet points, and it will totally be enough, and it will totally count. Or you could say, I think the British won the war, and here's why. And then you do your 6 bullet points. You just have to make sure that you list your internet source when you turn in the assignment, and then also put down the page number from which you got your information from the book. And that really is it. It's supposed to be a super simple project. Thank you.